My Danish wife is trying to tell me that when I asked her to spell the Trådfri lighting kit from IKEA in English, okay, how do you say it right?
Trådfri.
Troll-free?
No, you're saying
like
troll.
Free trolls?
You're saying
I want to
troll.
free the trolls in Denmark.
Yeah, free the trolls.
Okay, so I said bet for $1. Whenever I say bet, it's automatically for $1. And I said there's not 2 A's in troll-free. And look at IKEA. What does it say right there? Tradfri.
That is not an A. It's an
Okay, Pernille Chalem from Denmark is saying that letter in the middle of your screen that looks like an A in English is not an A and it's an
Do you not see the little round thing?
I see the little round thing above the A. That's an accent. And it makes it an
Yeah.
but that is still an A.
No.
It is still an A.
Look it up. How would you spell? So instead of doing an you can do 2 A's next to each other.
Yeah. So in the dictionary for phonetic spelling, maybe.
In Danish.
But I asked you to spell it in English so that I could look it up.
But that's not English.
Okay, I know, but this
is at IKEA and this is
I know, but this is English. Tradfri is how you spell it in English.
No.
Not Traafre.
Well, that is how you would spell it to be proper.
What are you from Copenhagen?
No. Well, I was born in Copenhagen.
You're a Nordjul.
Yep. I'm a proud Nordjul.
Yeah, just like the guy on
Borgen.
How do you say Borgen?
Born. Trådfri.
What's that guy's name on Borgen?
Oh, Svend Aage.
The redneck?
Svend Aage. I can't remember
his
last name.
Listen, we're running out of time.
Okay.
Anyone who knows Denmark, tell me what the term for redneck is for the Nordjuls. What's the derogatory term for the Nordjuls in Denmark?
Nordjuls.
That's not derogatory.
Well, it's what they...
No, I want to know what it is. Redneck.
Yeah,
What's
you're
redneck?
a bunna.
A bunna?
Yeah.
That's a farmer. That's not derogatory.
Well, it is in
Being a
Denmark.
farmer isn't a bad thing.
No, nothing wrong with that, but that
Exactly.
is still a derogatory thing.
There's no way that being a farmer is a derogatory term in Denmark.
Try me.
Those are not the droids you're looking for. Hey, Cass. What the hell is that, dude?
He's looking at her like...
Like, F that box.